Hello, my name is John Duffield and thank you for watching this video. Today we're going to be talking about sales control charts. Now, control charts have been around for many years, dating back to the 50s and early 60s with the Japanese automotive industry, where these were used largely to measure breakdowns and wastage. But here we're going to be using it for sales in our business. We can use this for anything: sales, margins, productivity percentage, which is the popular one for control charts. But here we're looking at sales. So what we got here is two bars. The top bar is the green line, and this is called the upper control limit. And the red bar below is called the lower control limit. And when I show you my actuals, you'll be able to see clearly the effect that the control chart has. Now, when areas of the control chart are bounced out of these two lines, that's a cause to measure. So we need to see what's going on there, good or bad. Okay, so I'll stop there and I'll just populate the actual cells that I have there so we can move on with this video. Okay, now we've inserted our actual numbers, which is reflected here in the black line. So you can see here that for three areas in January, July and September, 95,000, 98,000 and 92,000, we exceeded the upper control limit, which is great. Now, we don't leave it at that. We need to look at the upper control limit, those three areas, to see what went on, what can we replicate, because that's what we want to do on a regular basis. The lower control limit, we popped out there three times: in March, 60,000, June, 55,000, and November, 68,000. Again, these are the critical areas that we need to look at. Why did this happen? What was going on during these months, so that we can make sure that we don't let this happen again. For the upper control limits, of course, we want to replicate that. Now, the whole idea of a control chart, whether it be sales, profitability, or margins, whatever, is that these two control limits need to be squeezed tighter. In other words, there's not that much difference between the upper control limit and the lower control limit. When that happens, that means your business is under control and you don't have so many variances. So this is a very good way to analyze how you're tracking. And in what's going on here, we can say that between these two lines, the upper control limit in green, the lower control limit in red, whatever happens between those lines, providing it doesn't bounce out, but whatever happens between those lines, we can live with. So these are our variances. Okay, anything outside of that, up or down, we need to be investigating that. Thank you for watching this video. My name is John Duffield from UMax Business World, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you.